Hey, this is Jim Troth, Habitation Investigation, doing an inspection here in Columbus, Ohio, up Arlington area. We have this ductwork here from a shower. That light here. It does not go to the exterior, but if you listen closely, I hope you can hear that, but that is water gurgling inside this ductwork because it's uninsulated, so all the moisture coming up from the shower gets in here. This stuff's uninsulated, so it cools off. The steam cools off and it condenses and it runs back. And this thing here, there it is full of water, so the air is just gurgling as it passes through. So interesting find. Don't find this very often, but when there's like a low spot here, no low spot over there.